we have been upgraded to one of their corner suites here, and it has a harbor view, so we will get to that. But as you come in, you have this nice seating area, TV, Nespresso maker, and the suites have a bonus bathroom. So we actually have 2 of them now. I haven't really been in here, so I'm not sure. Hold on, let me find the light switch. Ooh, hold on. Okay, now I'm back. It's kind of interesting. They put the light switch on the outside of the door, but this is the full bath that comes off of the sitting area when you walk in. So plenty of space. This one also has the nice rain shower head, luxury amenities. Let's see. Yep, those drawers work as well. And since we're here, let's take a look out at the harbor. Oh yes, you got your hop on, hop off bus. Gorgeous, simply gorgeous. Okay, moving on. Oh yeah, just like the other rooms, standard desk, all the outlets that you'll need. They're the 110 that we use in the US. So if you're from the US, you don't need a converter. Extra blankets, pillows, you're safe, plenty of storage, little slippers, and I know the other bathroom has robes. And then off of that, you have your bedroom. Little table, you can hang things there, drawers, phones. Another TV. More drawers to store things. And then you have your nice big shower, another rain head, your drawers. Love the makeup mirrors. They work perfect. And of course, your toilet. That's right, I didn't go back to the other. I'm gonna go back and make sure about the mini fridge and things like that. Yep, you have a nice mini fridge. You can store lots of things, and they do for the coffee. They put creamers and you have sugars and everything. So you have your standard mini fridge. And then this should be, yes, more storage. And then you have your ice bucket, glasses, wine glasses, kettle for hot water. And the suites have the bigger coffees. So the standard king rooms have the smaller, more the single shot espressos. These ones are the bigger cups of coffee. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this tour. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and look forward to hearing from you. Bye.